Hey guys, Sirena, Barefoot, Gypsy. How are you? Listen, happy Sunday. Thank you to all my subscribers. Today's my granddaughter's 1-year birthday party. And we're getting ready. Oh, I'm already ready to go there. So, I was in the shower and so I was taking a shower, and what came through, again, was this whole, God, this stand is driving me crazy, was, and we've talked about this before, it was the whole, knowing yourself, and when you're secure within yourself and who you are, no matter what anyone says or anything, you're unfazed by it. So this must be coming up again because maybe we needed to hear it, you know? Knowing who you are, you know, and your past doesn't define you. Hold on. I don't know. The trials and tribulations that have occurred in our lives, I'm hearing up until this point, how can I say this? Damn it. I don't know. Anyway, when we begin to heal and we gain self-esteem and our confidence, our Godfidence, it's like I heard things begin to shift and change, but we have to be that change and that shift. Okay? There's things that we have to let go of, whether we want to or not. So, I know it's scary, very scary, or it can be anyway, because you know you're not waiting 303 on God. God's waiting on you to take the necessary steps, because the blessings that are stored up are waiting for you. I heard to step out of your comfort zone, to fucking finally get rid of that shit that doesn't serve you, albeit mindset, whatever. So I'm here to take that journey today. Hey, listen, there's no time like the present. Like the right meow, right? My daughter gave me this shirt. Oh no, and my skirt has... She gave me this shirt too. And it's got a slits on both sides. I love it. It's so comfy. I have other ones, but they don't fit like this. I need to make them like this. I'm getting ready to change my whole wardrobe anyway. White skin in linen, perfume on my wrist. Yeah. A couple years ago, linen came to mind. You know, like I want to wear linen, and I have all these designs, clothes designs in my skull. But yeah, something about white linen, perfume on my... I don't have any perfume. That's all right. I do like to smell pretty. So we take one step at a time, and we do what we can. And until then, we just keep on trucking, yo. Keep on keeping on, right? Tomorrow I go in to sober living, and I don't know what I can bring in. It's like I have all these habits and things I like to do. Juicing, smoothies, all my shooting videos, my cards, all my stones, and I just have a certain way of always liking certain things I like to do, right? And so, God, my fucking jaw's fucked. Pops. It has done that since, God, 16 or 17. I got smacked real hard in the fucking jaw, and it made my jaw go. Other than that, I'm great. So it's just a re-injury. I guess I should have put my hands on my face to heal it real fast. I forget about that. I do when it's like I have to walk or something, like on my foot. My feet. But anyway, I don't know. Things come up to be released, and I don't suggest you do it the way I did it. No freaking out. No going psycho. Please don't. It's not worth it. But I'm hearing this day and age, whatever that means, this day and age. So I'm kind of nervous because I don't know what to expect when I go there. And what it's going to be like. And, that knowing thyself is coming up again. Because I guess what I'm hearing is like a lot of adversity comes, especially when we're growing. We gotta get out of the people, places, and things I'm hearing we've outgrown. So we don't have to deal with that. Finding our tribe. Finding like-minded people who share in the same vision and dream, in a sense. You know what I mean? You have outgrown where you're at. It's time to move on. I don't know how you're going to do that. You take the first step, and the way will be shown to you. But you got to take that first step. Scary or not, So, I bid you good day. And I got to go help set up. So I'll be gone for a long time. I don't like to spend that much time around too many people, but it'll be great. My little baby girl, I can't wait to see her. She's so precious. But till we meet again, ciao, baby, and I love you. Somebody loves you. Namaste. Peace. The best I can. And love. TTFN. Peace.